Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well on this day. How was your new year? Hope you all had a blast and happy new year friends. It just went off and we had a good day. Actually, when it is 31st in America, it is first in the India and other places. So we get to live like New Year's and all the occasions twice. So we celebrate it like for not for one day but for 2 days. So it becomes a 2 days occasion for us because already I had good wishes coming from India, from my parents, from my all my family members, and everybody is in a different time zone, so we get to enjoy it twice. So it is, I started enjoying the January 1st from yesterday night, and it is still not January 1st of here. It will become tomorrow. Now it's only at 9 o'clock, and in India it is already Happy New Year. So Happy New Year to all my friends who are in India and staying in other places. But in Canada and US, it is really almost the people celebrate like one occasion 2 times. So in New York, they are ahead of our time, like 2 hours ahead. So they get to enjoy the New Year before. So, but India, it is like 12 hours behind, and it becomes like hard time that we are awake because we have to call up our folks back home in India. So, friends, today I'll be sharing a very good recipe. Let's come into my kitchen. So, here are 4 drumsticks. I'm going to marinate it for 1 or 2 hours. I'm just adding 2 spoons of whole yogurt, and I have taken the original one, and it gives a very good creamy texture. So here I'm taking Prego sauce traditional because I won't be putting any tomato puree or anything. I'll just add this. And see friends, when I ordered it through Walmart, it came as damaged. This is how it looks, and I cannot make it straight. So here I'm just going to add 3 or 4 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. It was eyeballing. It can have become 5 also. So I don't want to touch this. Yeah. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt also because tomato sauce already had salt. Some paprika, depends on how much spicy you and your family likes. And a 1/4 spoon of turmeric. And half a spoon of black pepper. So here I have some fresh cilantro also. I'll be putting on this. 2 spoons of oil. Added 2 spoons of oil. Now I'm adding cut onions, garlic and ginger according to your for sauteing according to your wish, whether you want small or big cubed ones. So now saute it for 5 minutes. I've already set the timer for 5 minutes. It will get sauteed in this much time. So it's almost getting sauteed and it will become lighter. Here I've taken some soya chunks also because they are very yummy and tasty. So we'll microwave these for 5 seconds or 10 seconds in the hot water. Here I've taken cold water. Now I'll just put it in the microwave for 1 minute and boil it. So now which the chicken which we had marinated, it has already got some liquid in it, and I'm adding all the marinated chicken with all the yogurt and all. Comes out so, it's smelling so good. I'm trying to do more of instant pot because people are asking me do more instant pot, do one pot meals. So I'm just trying to come up with all instant pots and one pot meal and easy cooking where teenagers also can do. So I'm just rinsing the bowl because there was quite stuck to it. Rinse off and take off all this what was stuck because all the spices are stuck in here. So you need to give a good rinse. I think I did it. Good job. Good job, Archie. So now the chunks which we had microwaved, we'll add it over here and it will get mixed up, and add up even the water also because this will surely squeeze up all the juices. So 1 or 2 fell also. I'm feeling so bad. feeling, and I'll just say pressure cook. I'll cancel this because it was on saute mode. Now I'll do it in pressure cook. We don't want for 35 minutes, otherwise the chicken will really come out of its bone. So we'll just do it for 12 minutes. So here I dropped off 2 soya chunks. I hate to waste food, but let's thrash this. So here's the chicken and the soya chunks. Meal makers they are called in India. So we'll be making cheese tortillas with the soya chunks, and it will give a good taste. Enjoy. So here's the tortilla which I took, which we get ready-made tortilla over here. So I'll just bake off this half and half, little cooked, uncooked, so that it doesn't look uncooked at all. This is our midnight snack. Happy New Year. So the tortilla is already cooked. I'm just adding some cheese. I love this. And put some 2 or 3 chunks of soya chunks. It'll give like meat feeling, like chicken feeling. So just invert it upside down, and when you eat it, it'll look like you're eating like chicken Taco Bell. So we'll just cook it again. See, the cheese is already melting and it's already sticking to the tortilla. Already done. So just cut it into nice squares and feed it with ketchup, or eat it with ketchup, or whatever dip you like. So here I'm cutting it into 4. I don't know where I kept my pizza cutter. I think I've lost half of my wooden spoons and all. So here it is. Enjoy. Here's the first bite. So here's the chicken which we made with the soya chunks. It's come out so well. Yesterday night we had with the tortillas also, and here is the rice version and chicken. Have the first bite and soya chunk. Enjoy. So if you have liked this recipe, please like it, share it, subscribe, comment, and let me know. And you can catch me on other social media too, like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So I keep posting there also once in a while, all the goodness and good things and my daily routines and daily stuff. So catch you all later. Bye. So friends, how easy it was to do. With one dish I can make 2 or 3 dishes, and this goes on, and it is so nice. It just continues, and we can mix and match with the anything you want to eat. You can eat this with rolls, with bread, whatever you like. So I gave you a good variation, and it cooks in a very fast time, and you can eat it with tortillas, rice, enjoy as you like it. And it's a good meal, that it is a protein rich meal, and at the midnight hour we were awake and we were eating all this. So this was our routine, friends. Okay, take care, love you all, and happy new year once again. Enjoy. Bye.